Hey, my name is Zach Smith, and we are in New York City to go to Samsung headquarters and see what the newest tech is going to be released to the market.
Earlier this year, two brave BestReviews employees made the trek all the way out to New York in search of the answer to what makes a great TV. They talked to people and went to Samsung's headquarters to find the answer.
So we saw lots of TVs today, and I think the most accessible one was the Neo QLED 4K. That's going to be the one that people have in their homes and have that quality at home. What are some things that make that special?
Yeah, I mean, the quantum dot processor is really impressive. The Samsung AI upscaling is really impressive. Also features 165 hertz for the gamers and the sports fans out there. The quantum dots make it so that the color is more accurate, more clear, more crisp. So the blues are bluer, the reds are redder, and so on and so forth.
Cool. So that's like that range of visual color that we were seeing, because the colors were so vibrant on these TVs.
Yeah.
And trying to film it, it was so much more dim on my phone than it was on the in the room. I don't think we could even record that type of color.
Yeah, no, it shows with their tech, and we were really impressed today.
And something that really stood out to me, because I kind of have trouble setting up tech, is that all of it was so easy to set up. It was something that someone could have this level of quality in their home, and it's so easy. The way that it speaks to the speakers, the way that it speaks to all the other Samsung products was amazing. That quality that you can customize for yourself with the AI, like you mentioned.
Yeah.
The Micro RGB TV was a TV I didn't even know I wanted or needed. After seeing this was what I was talking about, that color. It was so vibrant and it looked so alive. And I know it's just a TV that everyone thinks are kind of the same. They're definitely not the same. I mean, I can't even physically capture on my phone the quality of this TV. And he was explaining to me the range of color that you actually get is the closest you can get in any product out there. This is the closest range of color you can get.
Each individual pixel is either red, green, or blue. So that's going to give you the truest color accuracy of any TV on the market. They made it in all new sizes. They started with a 115-inch last year, and now they made, I think, a 65 and 75-inch. It's a really impressive TV. It's an ultra premium product. And if anyone is willing to spend the money, you will not be disappointed.
So historically, these TVs have been very expensive. I mean, new car expensive, but they actually have some pretty accessible models right now. But the pricing is actually way more accessible than they've ever been in the past. So this is something that people can actually have in their home.
They really pride themselves on making a TV for everyone, right? So if this ultra premium product, that's too much for you, you can get an entry-level TV anywhere from $200 to several thousand, just based off of what you need in your space.
We did actually test these products against other competitors, and the top of the line competitor products don't even come close, which is something I was actually shocked by. I mean, it was nice to see them side by side. You can't unhear that sound.
Right.
You can't
Absolutely.
unsee that visual.
Yeah.
It was such a difference night and day, where I was like, you know what? That is the kind of the way I want to experience this.
There's a reason they're the leader, and they have been for 20 years.
We actually got to see so much more than just TVs, though. I mean, seeing the phones, the appliances, and the gaming stuff too.
The gaming's great. At home I actually have my own Samsung monitor. The refresh rate's great. Samsung is kind of on the cutting edge of the gaming stuff in terms of the monitors, so it's kind of nice. It's sort of your one-stop shop in your house for your tech.
I mean, this was such a cool experience just to find out what the new technology in the market. I do believe that this technology is probably going to be the standard moving forward. And so I hope they bring us back again so we can keep seeing this, and keep seeing what's out there.
It's great, and I hope we are invited back. Honestly, just for the cafeteria alone. But I hope we're invited back. It was a great time. It always is. The hospitality's great, and it's always exciting to see, the latest and greatest on the market.